get the best and creamiest ice cream.
Yeah, you heard me right. Let's get started. So I'm using this 2 cup of double cream. So it's 270 ml per liter. Then I'm pouring the two into a bowl. After I poured it in, then I whisk all together. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia and welcome to Lydia'skitchen. So I'm whisking all together now, but one thing about your whisking, depending on your whisker or whatsoever you're using, whether it is hand mixer or hand whisker, so the timing is different. So for me, I did it for about roughly 10 minutes all together. Yeah, roughly 10 minutes. And don't mind the way I was moving. I was just meant to hold it in one place, but I kept shaking my hand, doing the hard work. So when it's thick enough like this, then you know it's almost getting ready. But you have to keep whisking till your whisker is finding it hard to move. That's when you know it's ready. I guess that's a simpler way for me to put it. So after whisking for a while, then I stop and I pour in my condensed milk. So for every 2 double cream, that's every 2 cup of double cream, you might want to use 1 full can of condensed milk. But I use half anyways because a full can would be too sweet for me. So I did not get Oreos, so I used the one at B, which is new. What I did was I put it inside my Ziploc bag and I just rumbled it. But you have to get a clean Ziploc bag to do this. So you might use a stick or anything or your spatula. We want it to look this way, not too crumbled, just in a pieces whereby it can be chunky so you can see it while heating. So I poured it into my whipped cream and I mixed it together. After mixing it together, I set it aside. So when mixing it together, you have to be careful because you don't want to match it. You don't want it to go into powdered form. Then into a clean bowl, I poured in another double cream, 270 ml. This time I'm showing you how it looks like. Then I pour the whole 2 in. Then I repeat the same process for it. After whisking and it becomes thick like the first one, then this time around I'm doing a twist. And the twist is, instead of looking for mango extract, I'm using fresh mango. So what I did is, instead of blending the mango itself, and I was just being innovative because where I am this moment, I can't get blender, or there was no blender available for me at that time. Before going back to our gist, let's pour in our condensed milk. You can see it's as thick as the first one. So I poured in my condensed milk at this rate. So this time around I used the whole full can. The full can of condensed milk. You can use, just do it to your taste, it's homemade. So no pressure. Just do it the way you want it. Then I whisk it again. But when whisking, you have to be very careful because you don't want it to be too light. Now we have poured in another liquid. So after whisking for a bit, then I stopped and I added in my mango. Yeah, back to our gist. So this is me adding in my mango. So I make sure I added a whole 2 mango. Yeah, I used 2 whole mango, removing the seed. Yeah, you have to remove your seed and your skin as well. Just adding the juice. Be generous with it. It's homemade anyways, so do it the way you want it and now you will enjoy it. So I whisk that together and I repeat the same process for the third one. So all together we use 6 cups of double cream. So I added another 2 cups of my double cream in. Then I whisk again, repeating the same process. Guys, that means we are making 3 layers, you see. This time I poured in on my condensed milk as well. Then I whisked all together. So after pouring in my condensed milk, I'm being careful when whisking because I don't want it to be too light or turn into butter. So you have to be very careful. So I am mixing gently. So note in all the 3 methods of mixing, you see that they are all different. Then I added in my almond extract. And I wanted to do something like a chocolate form, but I did not have my powdered cocoa. Instead, I used hot chocolate. Yeah, guys, I used hot chocolate. We have to be innovative, right? And I'm being honest. It came out dark, but not too dark, kind of like a pinkish dark. But this is it, me pouring into my tray, and I layered it in 3 forms. So the 2 looks the same, like the mango and our biscuit form looks the same, but it's different. So we have 3 different flavor. So just choose any flavor of your choice. What I'm just showing you is the basic, how you can do it and be creative with it. And I poured the whole biscuit on top of everything just to give it a better look as well. And you can be generous with your biscuit as well. So into the dark chocolate form, I added in my coated peanuts. Yeah, that's dark. Yeah, so let's put it in so that it can incorporate well too. So when putting it in, I make sure I just mixed a bit, not too much. So I use my spoon, my wooden spoon, and just coat it in just to cover it up, and that's it. We are done, guys, and that's all about your ice cream. You want to leave this for good 7 to 12 hours depending on your freezer. So one thing you want to do is use your cling film and just cover it up. Make sure it's well covered, because if it's not, we are going to have this crystallized form on top of it when it's done, which happened to me anyways. So after opening it up after 12 hours, the next day you can see I have a change of cloth and it's looking this way. Some parts are crystallized, but it doesn't matter. Just allow it to thaw a bit for about, depending. So I'm trying to scoop. It's not because it has been crystallized, something that's formed into ice. So before I come back home, my people are scooped, and this is it, me coming to scoop my own part, and it's just so delicious. Like, it came out so well, like I'm in a restaurant buying ice cream. That's how it tasted. So you can bring that restaurant into your home. Thank you, guys. If you've watched to this moment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. So this is me with my friend. Listen to our shenanigans. Thank you.
So this is Lydia'skitchen ice cream from scratch. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Homemade ice cream, very nice. Creamy, yummy. Has lots of obstacles, peanuts, biscuits, Oreos in it.
Yeah, mango.
Very nice. And mango. Really nice. I'm taking this and I can't find my words again.
Get the best and creamiest ice cream. Just check my YouTube page at Lydia'skitchen. Just press at Lydia'skitchen to pop up so you can watch the full video. There's also a video on cheesecake as well. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and take care of you. Bye.